Let's just go. Had Lucknow, I've had Bombay, I've had Delhi, but we've got some other, well, spitting images of you to ask you some questions. So I'd love to have our NDTV double take to ask you some questions.
Hey,
Wow.
Shahrukh, my name is Khan. नाम तो सुना होगा? Hey Shahrukh, I have a question for you. Am I not the coolest actor you've ever met?
Absolutely.
Am I not the coolest actor you've ever met? जवाब दो मुझे.
तुम दुनिया के सबसे कूल एक्टर हो. इतने कूल हो,
And am
मुझसे
I
भी ज्यादा
the
कूल हो.
hottest star also?
Now, if you insist, yeah.
And the Badshah of Bollywood?
क्या बात कर रहे हो यार? Okay.
Hey PC, come. Let's talk to Shahrukh. Upara. I love Jungly Billy.
Don't be rude about our puppets.
ये आवाज क्यों कर रही हो तुम?
कम नहीं
क्योंकि मैं जंगली बिल्ली हूँ SRK.
Is that a joke?
हाँ तो
I don't like jokes.
I don't like you.
गाइस कट कुछ होता है डायलॉग
Oh, don't. डॉन का इंतजार तो 11 मुल्कों की पुलिस कर रही है, लेकिन एक बात समझ लो, डॉन को पकड़ना मुश्किल ही नहीं, नामुमकिन है.
Hey PC, I have a question for you. अगर तुम जंगली बिल्ली हो तो मैं क्या हूँ? PC,
That's for
Oh,
you.
for you.
प्रियंका.
अगर तुम जंगली बिल्ली हो, अगर मैं जंगली बिल्ली हूँ तो तुम क्या हो?
या
अभी तो मेरी आंखें नहीं हट रही हैं तुम्हारी लिप्स से.
शाहरुख की भी नहीं हटती हैं.
तुम मेरी जान मुझे बिल्ली नहीं लिपोटॉमस लग रही हो.
शाहरुख, excuse me, I've been Miss World.
मैंने बहुत मिस वर्ल्ड के साथ काम किया.
Yeah.
ऐश्वर्या, she's the best. Hey. Okay, please. बिल्ली जैसी आवाजें मत करो. Anyways, Shahrukh, it's time to celebrate, dude. Just imagine, with the two of us both here, you can do twice as much of promotion. Did you think about that? Yeah? Huh?
I do. I mean, whenever you want, you please come along with me and bring Lippy with you.
Are the puppets going to come and say hi? Do you all want a photograph with Shahrukh and Priyanka?
Of course, yeah.
Come on,
I definitely.
Let's go,
Come on.
guys, let's go.
जो न समझा कोई मैं वो ही राज हूँ, जो किसी का नहीं है वो अंदाज हूँ. मैं समंदर से गहरा, मैं कहीं कब हूँ ठहरा, मैं हूँ जैसे धुआं. ये धुआं कहीं है रुकता कहाँ. जरा दिल को थाम लो, नाम लो, कह भी दो है कौन. आ गया लौट के देखो
Okay, we're nearly at the end of the show, so if you like, we can stand with Shahrukh and Priyanka and Ritesh. Quick question since we're at New Year's. What's your New Year's resolution? And before we end, Shahrukh first, quick. Best movie and worst movie of 2011.
The best one is just about to come.
No,
23rd of
Don, sorry,
December.
Don excluded.
बोला नहीं पहले.
अभी बोल रही हूँ.
Don't be like a politician, सुनिए.
अभी बोल रही हूँ.
बार चेंज मत करो अपने वर्ड्स. ओके. मैंने कौन सी अच्छी फिल्म देखी? मैंने इस बार एक्चुअली ज्यादा हिंदी फिल्में देखी नहीं. इस बार वो वक्त का मसज बोल रहा हूँ.
All the films.
Dirty Picture, you're becoming Shah Rukh
I haven't
Khan.
seen it, but I've heard it's very nice, and I'd like to. I haven't seen the film, but हाँ, जिंदगी ना मिलेगी दोबारा.
Ritesh, stop it.
नहीं
Stop
really, जिंदगी ना मिलेगी दोबारा. I think it was really nice. I think it was, and I think Zoya ने बहुत अच्छा डायरेक्शन किया. I didn't expect it to be so wonderful, entertaining plus meaningful. So I thought it was very nice. Yeah,
You
जिंदगी ना
got
मिलेगी
Entertainer of
दोबारा.
the Year as well. Worst picture of the year. Be frank, you're Don.
Like I said, मैंने कोई एक थी, I can't say it. I'll just tell you what my daughter said after seeing the film. मैं नाम नहीं लूँगा, बहुत बुरा लगता है, ऐसे परेशानी हो जाएगी, लोग वैसे मुझको ज़्यादा पसंद नहीं करते. लेकिन मैंने मेरी बेटी से पूछा, मैंने बैठकर देखी वो फिल्म और मैंने कहा कि कैसी लगी तुमको? Because I thought, you know, sometimes you see a film and you don't like it, but people like it. So she said something very sweet. She said, it was like life, just kept on going, nothing nice happened. So I thought that was very deep. फिल्म इतनी डीप बिल्कुल नहीं थी, बहुत ही गंदी पिक्चर थी, बट आई वुडंट लाइक टू टेक द नेम, देन इट काइंड ऑफ क्रिएट ट्रबल फॉर मी एंड नहीं यार. No, that might actually I'm not supposed to say anything about. I'm supposed to keep my mouth shut about these things. Yeah, okay.
You're Dawn. Who are you scared of? You're Dawn.
बर्लिन में चलती है मेरी, हाँ मैं नहीं करता. और ऐनक नहीं पहना ना, ऐनक पहन लो ना, उसके बाद मुझसे कुछ भी पूछ लो.
Okay. Was it Bodyguard?
No. I don't know if my kids saw that. I don't know. No. It was some other film. Let's do 20 questions. Come on, ask me all. So I'll find out which of the films you thought were. Sonia, you thought that film was bad? Oh my God! Oh my God, Sonia, you're an anchor. You cannot have an opinion like this. It's really sad.
I would ask about a certain superhero film. Did it turn out the way you wanted? Were you bugged when people started tweeting about it or making the point that, you know, Bodyguard beat Rawan needed a bodyguard?
No, not that joke. Just the fact that there were people who were taking it very personally on me, and I didn't like it. I was very pissed off, and I dislike everyone, and I wish them the worst of futures possible. This is my personal feeling, and I felt very sad because I made it with a lot of love, and there was a lot of negativity. Some of the critics were very personal about my midlife crisis. Why am I doing this? I'm trying to prove a point. I just want to tell them, go to hell. I will do stuff which I want to, and I will do it all my life because I've done it for 20 years and I deserve it. And if you guys have a problem, come talk to me face to face. Don't write behind these little nonsensical things. And don't write on the net, don't write on the Twitter, don't write in some books and some magazines. Come and talk to me. Come here, मुझसे बात करो. क्योंकि डॉन के दुश्मन की सबसे बड़ी गलती ये है कि वो डॉन का दुश्मन है.
Priyanka, best and worst movie.
No, that's not fair. I thought it was supposed to stick to him.
Why?
Because he answers for us. He's the leader of the team.
Oh, okay.
So it works. He answered. For
You
us.
loved Rawan, right?
Yes, I did actually.
Okay, good.
I actually did. When I saw the film, I told him that.
Oh, in my opinion, I didn't include my own just to be humble like I am. That's why I said Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara. I mean, yeah, so one or two, number 1 and 2, yeah. Okay.
Okay. Super. New Year's resolutions. Shah Rukh, Priyanka.
Ask them
Oh,
first.
you told us your
Ask
New
them
Year's
first.
resolution.
No, you first answer yours, please.
No, can I
Don't
tell
speak
them
for me.
yours?
I am the leader.
No, I'll start.
Nobody can speak for me. पहले तू बोल. अपना resolution बताओ. मेरा मत बताओ यार तुम लोग. नहीं यार नहीं.
That we have decided that we're going to start 2012 to make sure Shah Rukh doesn't smoke. That is our resolution.
No, but
Are you going to do that, Shah Rukh?
that was his resolution.
Yeah, but we are going to ensure that happens.
That
So
will
our
happen.
resolution is to make sure his resolution is in place.
Is that your resolution? You're going to stop smoking?
It's not just for New Year. I want to start like today. And I want to tell people, because even in Dawn 2, I do this, and I think it's a very bad thing to do, and you should not do it. And it's my heart's genuine desire that I give up smoking, not only for my kids and everyone around me and my co-actors and producers and friends, but for myself. And I should give it up. So I'll give it my best shot. And because actors normally don't lie, so no, but I'll give it my best shot. It's not, okay.
You guys have been super guests. Thanks so much. But we can't end today without some song and so can we get some music?
जो न समझा कोई मैं वो ही राज हूँ जो किसी का नहीं है वो अंदाज हूँ
अजब सा नशा छा रहा है मेरे दिल को बहका रहा है बहका हुआ मुझको पहचान लो चुला चपी मा चमक चलो